Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. So first, let's start off by adjusting the media volume in settings. So unlock the tablet. Now go over to the settings right here. And now to adjust the media volume, go over to sound and vibration. And now here, drag it all to the right. You can also do the same with your ring and notification volume. Now make sure that the do not disturb here is also disabled, because then notifications will be muted. So make sure that the do not disturb mode is disabled in the settings here. Now the next thing, you can clean the speaker with the soft cloth or a soft brush. It might work if there's something stuck in it, like debris or dirt. So if that didn't work, then the next thing you can do is to go to about tablet at the bottom. Now here, all we can do is go to system update, and it will check for updates automatically, so we don't need to click up anything. As you guys can see, I'm running the latest version, and if you don't, then that might be the issue. So update it as fast as possible. I recommend always updating it like that to keep your device updated. And now, if the system update did not help you, then what you guys can do as a last resort is to go over to general settings. Now here, back up your data first, go to reset options and erase all data. So here, after clicking erase all data, you will lose your storage, everything, like downloaded apps, Google accounts, everything. So it will just be like when you first got it. And if that still didn't work, then the issue might be with the hardware and not the software. So you guys can get it checked out by the Lenovo customer support. And yeah, that'd be it. And if you enjoyed this video, then leave a comment, subscription and a like, and I'll see you next time.